AWAL Musicians Distribution Platform. Full features, strengths, weaknesses. AWAL, or Artists Without a Label, stands apart from typical distributors by offering a more curated, artist-friendly approach. Its core features revolve around distribution to all major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Deezer, with transparent royalty reporting and payments. Key differentiators include their selective acceptance process. Unlike open-door distributors, AWAL vets artists based on metrics like streaming performance and social media engagement. This allows them to provide more personalized support and opportunities, such as playlist pitching, marketing support, and sync licensing consideration. The platform shines in royalty collection. They offer fast and accurate payments with detailed breakdowns. AWAL also boasts robust analytics tools, providing in-depth insights into audience demographics, streaming trends, and geographical performance, enabling artists to tailor their strategies. This makes AWAL ideal for artists who are already generating significant traction independently, specifically those with established fan bases and consistent streaming numbers looking to elevate their career. Now, let's address the strengths. AWAL's curated approach fosters a stronger sense of community and opens doors to opportunities less accessible via standard distributors. Their support teams are known for being responsive and proactive, offering real guidance and support. Furthermore, their rights management tools are comprehensive, helping artists protect their intellectual property. However, AWAL does have weaknesses. The selective acceptance process is a major barrier to entry for emerging artists. If you're just starting out, AWAL likely isn't an option. Even if accepted, AWAL's commission structure, while transparent, can be higher than some competing distributors, especially for artists with smaller catalogs. The platform's advanced features can also be overwhelming for some users, requiring a steeper learning curve compared to simpler distribution services. Additionally, while AWAL provides support, it's not a full-fledged record label, so artists still need to be self-sufficient in many aspects of their careers. Finally, playlist pitching, even with AWAL support, isn't guaranteed, and artists should manage expectations accordingly. In conclusion, AWAL is a powerful distribution platform best suited for independent artists who have already demonstrated significant momentum and are looking for a more hands-on, supportive partner. Its selectivity, while a drawback for some, ensures a higher level of service and greater potential for growth for those who meet their criteria. If you are a developing artist with nascent success, consider it your long-term aim, but focus on building momentum independently with a readily available distributor first.